Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about heat treatment of steels now. This is actually W1 steel, which is, you should know, is water hardening, which means if I heat it to critical temperature and quench it in water, it should go to full hardness. Right now it's fairly annealed. I can take a file and you can see that it cuts fairly easily. I get a good cut through. It's fairly soft. If I then take our little propane torch, or actually MAP gas torch, if we take our MAP gas torch and heat the end of the steel, we're looking for that critical temperature, which is up near red. So you'll see here we've heated this for a few seconds. We're starting to get it to a red hot. You see that kind of dark red color. And we're simply going to take this directly from the flame while it's still red hot and dip it in water, because this is a water hardening tool steel. So just dip that in plain water till it's cool. Now when I take it across the file, notice I'm actually not cutting this at all. It's just skating across it. So now this piece of tool steel is actually harder than the file itself. One nice thing about this is if I come back out of the heat zone, it's still as soft as it was. The heat only affected where it actually got to critical temperature. If I take this and heat it back up to critical temperature, that red color, and cool it slowly, it will return to that annealed state. When we talk about tempering, what we talk about is taking it from this fully hardened state down closer, somewhere between fully hard and dead soft, to the point that we need for our application, where the piece will be hard enough for what we need it to do, but not so hard that it cracks during operation.